Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Dealcraftersshop.com. So as you can see, right off the bat, we have it here on malware tips, and as you can see that malware tips has already said that they are a scam. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a store that actually sells various products at very low prices. So as you can see, malware tips goes over the store overview and the scam overview right here. And as you can see, once the victims place orders and submit payment information, the scammers simply take the money and run. Customers are left with one of the following outcomes: so nothing at all, knockoff or inferior substitutes, use damaged tampered goods, and completely wrong items. So as you can see, how the store operates is number one, by social media advertising, then the illusion of a real e-commerce store, fake order confirmations, failure to deliver the ordered items, refusal to issue refunds, and rinse and repeat. And please guys, if you ever come across this store like this, please take note and do some research before buying and entering your credit card or card information. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.